Upgrade your home with these insanely cool gadgets you never knew you needed. Don't find the links because they are in description and comments. Let's start. Imagine coming home after a long day, only to realize you forgot to take the chicken out of the freezer. Frustrating, right? The BLAZIN THAW defrosting tray is here to save the day, using premium-grade aluminum to naturally and quickly thaw your frozen food without microwaves or messy water baths. Just place your meat on the tray and watch it defrost in record time while retaining all its nutrients and flavor. No more rubbery, microwave-zapped meat, just fresh, delicious results. The family-sized 16-inch design is perfect for large portions, and its deep draining channels keep your counter mess-free. Pros: thaws food naturally without using electricity, retains nutrients and original taste. No need for microwaves or water baths. Large 16-inch size fits big portions, easy to clean and mess-free. Cons: not as fast as a microwave, requires the food to lay flat for effective thawing. Turn any moment into a party with the Ankober Bluetooth speaker, a compact yet powerful gadget designed to deliver crystal-clear stereo sound with deep bass that immerses you in your favorite tunes. The vibrant LED light show enhances every beat, creating a dynamic atmosphere perfect for parties, camping, or just chilling at home. With Bluetooth 5.3, seamless connectivity ensures a lag-free experience, while TWS pairing lets you connect two speakers for an immersive surround sound effect. The 12-hour battery life keeps the music going, and the IPX4 waterproof design means splashes and light rain won't ruin the vibe. The built-in microphone allows hands-free calls, making it as functional as it is fun. Pros: 12-hour battery life for extended playtime. IPX4 waterproof rating protects against splashes, compact and portable for travel and outdoor use. Built-in microphone for hands-free calls. Cons: LED lights drain the battery faster. Bass may not be as deep as larger speakers. Say goodbye to endless shaving, painful waxing, and expensive salon visits with the Ubru IPL laser hair removal device, designed to deliver long-lasting smooth skin from the comfort of your home. This advanced hair remover uses red light IPL technology to target hair follicles, reducing regrowth with up to 96% effectiveness in just 2 months. The built-in 5 degrees Celsius ice cooling feature soothes the skin, making each session painless while preventing redness or irritation. With 9 adjustable intensity levels and both manual and automatic modes, it caters to different skin sensitivities and body areas, from delicate facial hair to larger regions like legs and arms. Pros: ergonomic design for a comfortable grip. 999,900 flashes ensure long-term use. Includes goggles and a shaver for a complete package. Saves time and money compared to salon treatments. Cons: not suitable for darker skin tones or very light hair. Must be plugged in, not wireless. Requires patience for visible results over weeks. Never let your coffee go cold again with the House Gem 36-watt mug warmer, a sleek and efficient desk companion designed to keep your favorite beverages at the perfect temperature. With 3 adjustable heat settings, 176 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 130 degrees Fahrenheit, every sip stays warm just the way you like it, whether you're working, reading, or relaxing. The large 5.2-inch heating panel accommodates most cups, eliminating the frustration of lukewarm coffee. Its smart auto shut-off feature ensures safety, turning off automatically after 4 hours or within a user set range of 2 to 12 hours. Pros: auto shut-off timer enhances safety. Waterproof surface for easy cleaning. Sleek wood design complements any space. UL certified for reliable quality. Cons: requires a power outlet, not battery operated. Works best with flat-bottomed cups. Experience the ultimate relaxation with the TSCare Shiatsu foot massager, a powerful and versatile device designed to relieve pain, improve circulation, and provide a deep, soothing massage. Featuring a smart reflexology system with 4 simulated hands, 8 rollers, and 74 nodes, it mimics professional kneading, rolling, and scraping techniques for a truly immersive experience. The built-in heating function warms up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, easing tension and promoting muscle recovery, making it especially beneficial for those with neuropathy, plantar fasciitis, or poor circulation. Pros: 360-degree adjustable handle for feet, ankles, and calves, remote control for effortless adjustments, customizable settings with multiple intensities and timers, removable, washable foot sleeves for hygiene, compact and portable for home or office use. Cons: may feel too intense for sensitive feet, not cordless, requires a power outlet. Sorry to disturb, but please comment on what topic the next video should be about. Indulge in homemade frozen treats anytime with the Dash My Mug ice cream maker, a compact and convenient machine that turns your favorite ingredients into delicious ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt in just 20 minutes. With its double insulated freezer bowl, simply freeze the base for 24 hours, add ingredients, and watch it churn out creamy perfection. The built-in ingredient chute lets you customize your flavors with mix-ins like chocolate chips or fruit, making every batch unique. Designed for single servings, this space-saving gadget is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or quick dessert cravings. Pros: makes ice cream, gelato, sorbet, and frozen yogurt. Built-in ingredient chute for mix-ins and customization. Compact design with detachable parts for easy storage. Simple operation with a quick 20-minute process. Mug doubles as a serving container for convenience. Cons: requires 24-hour freezing before use. Small serving size may not be ideal for sharing. Transform your bathroom experience with the Chunis Toilet Bowl Nightlight, a fun and functional gadget that adds a splash of color and convenience to nighttime visits. Featuring a motion sensor, it automatically lights up when you enter, providing a soft glow without disturbing your sleep. With 16 color-changing LEDs, you can set it to rotate through colors or pick a favorite, making potty training fun for kids and adding a unique touch to your decor. 5 brightness levels let you customize the intensity, while the flexible arm ensures a secure fit on any toilet. Pros: motion sensor activates within 5 feet for hands-free use. 16 color options with rotation or solid mode. Adjustable brightness with 5 levels. Flexible arm fits any toilet bowl. Battery-powered for easy installation without cords. Cons: batteries not included and require replacement over time. Light may not be bright enough for all users. Enhance your space with the iFighter Colorful Flame Fire Diffuser, combining aromatherapy and a humidifier with a mesmerizing 7-color flame effect. Its realistic flame-like mist adds a soothing ambiance, perfect for relaxation, meditation, or creating a cozy atmosphere. The ultra-quiet operation ensures undisturbed sleep or work, while the built-in timer lets you set it for 1, 3, or 5 hours. With automatic shut-off when water runs low, it's safe for all day or overnight use. Pros: 7-color flame effect enhances ambiance. Functions as both a humidifier and essential oil diffuser. Ultra-quiet operation at just 25 decibels. Timer settings for 1, 3, or 5 hours. Auto shutoff prevents overheating when water runs out. Cons: 150 milliliter capacity requires frequent refills. Plastic build may not feel high-end. The C-Cushion Lab Pressure Relief Seat Cushion provides ergonomic support for long sitting hours, making it ideal for office chairs, cars, wheelchairs, and more. Designed by in-house ergonomists, its contoured shape cradles the thighs and hips, promoting proper posture and alleviating pressure on the tailbone, coccyx, and sciatic nerve. The extra-dense charcoal memory foam offers soft yet firm support while remaining odor-free. While it enhances comfort for extended sitting, its thickness may not fit all chairs seamlessly, and users who prefer a firmer cushion might find it too soft. Pros: ergonomic design improves posture and reduces pressure. Extra dense memory foam provides soft yet supportive cushioning, ideal for office chairs, cars, wheelchairs, and home use. Odor-free charcoal-infused memory foam helps relieve tailbone and sciatic pain. Cons: may be too thick for some chairs. Softness might not suit users preferring firmer support. The Dishwasher Magnet Clean Dirty sign offers a stylish and practical solution for keeping track of dish status in the kitchen. Measuring 7 by 2 inches, it features a rustic black and white wood design, protected by a clear acrylic window within a silver frame. The strong magnet ensures secure attachment to dishwashers, while bonus adhesive stickers allow for use on non-magnetic surfaces. Its smooth sliding mechanism makes switching between clean and dirty effortless, while it blends well with modern, rustic, and farmhouse kitchens. Those preferring digital indicators might find it less convenient. Pros: stylish black and white rustic design enhances kitchen aesthetics. Strong magnet ensures firm placement, with adhesive stickers for non-magnetic dishwashers. Smooth sliding function for easy status changes. Versatile use for dishwashers, laundry machines, or other appliances. Clear contrast between clean and dirty for easy readability. Cons: not digital, requiring manual sliding to update the status. Limited color options may not match all kitchen styles. That's end. Meet in these videos. Stay safe forever.